And I know that every time you get a little closer, something pops up. Something throws you off. You know who that is, right? That's the enemy. And the enemy is going to do whatever he can do to keep you from accomplishing your goals. That's his job. Yeah. But we have to continue to push forward, okay? And how do we get through and push through? We have to read the word. That's our armor. We have to stay prayed up. We have to fast. Yes. That's what we need to do to keep pushing and plugging away. See, all you need to do is continue to push, plug, and do your best. And you watch, God will do the rest.